This is the current situation at the scene of this year's national independence celebrations hosted by Emerson Mnangagwa in his Millions province. Sana bana mashikaru kudai togo pana panono kasiyana siyana vachikomenda nemafunguro avo pamusoro pekuflopa aiwa kuitika kugowe uko kunyasi kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this event aiwa yansi kunyadzisa the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa muAfrica mose subscribe wala icon on the bell icon tipina panapa paendo X chimona mudanyora chiti just pure mediocrity on display, a clear indication of how backward the country has become. The place has absolutely no drainage. I mean, how can a regime embarrass itself like this and put it on display? And then, Nick Mangwana, the regime's propaganda chief, tried to spin it, calling it a cultural sign of blessings from God. Yada yada yada. This simply shows that when incompetence and massive corruption meet, you get a disaster. And when the incompetent and corrupt act without emotional intelligence, it only gets worse. This is a massive embarrassment to the country to mark 45 years of independence with such a disastrous show on international display. It rains everywhere in the world, but other governments ensure proper drainage systems are in place, and that stadiums are built to host such events. But you cannot achieve that when all you know is stealing public funds and hiring incompetent, thoughtless people. It is sad to watch. When you look at small economies like Botswana, Rwanda, Zambia, and Namibia, you realize just how incompetent, backward, and corrupt Mnangagwa's regime has become. Thomas Kwarubuda is a showdown, Yemtungamiro Nyika Masoda Mnangagwa, vachinza aiwa zvanyasi kunyadzisa incompetence yenyika yazoratidza kuti nyika yeZimbabwe tichiri backward. Takati tombodzokera kumashure cheko cheko kuma 1980s titange pasquare number 1. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. Mudze mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.